Yes! Tap dance on over to that subscribe button, shawty. Hey guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you are new to my channel, here on this channel, we do everything from hair, makeup, beauty product reviews, and pretty much all things beauty. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hopscotch on over to that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can join the notification gang when I upload new videos. You'll be notified. All right, let's get on to the subject matter at hand. So as the title says, today it's a Target shoe haul. I have revamped my summer wardrobe. If you guys haven't checked out my video already, I will leave an iCard above of my Walmart haul. You know, affordable, bougie on a budget. So we're continuing that series, and this will be the end of it because I done spent all my munties, okay? All my munties for the summer budget. These cute green, they're giving me prison slide vibes, but in a chic way. Prison chic, is that a new thing? It shouldn't be. Oh, I'm gonna show you this up close. If you have a wide foot like your girl, it has a little expansion there, so it spreads out for those white. But these are also, again, that same brand. It has a nice cushion, so that means you can wear these. Obviously, I haven't worn these yet. But these have a nice cushion and they're super cute. I really wanted a pair of Michael Kors loafers. I don't know why, I just think they're so cute. And I'm really into Michael Kors lately. I don't know. But so I got these instead from Target. I'm like, girl, you don't need to be spending all that money on Michael Kors when you can just get some from Target. These are not like the Michael Kors ones that I want, but I do like the ponytail because I am petite, so it makes my legs look longer with the pony. You know you're getting more mature when you care about the comfort of your shoe over how the shoe looks. I mean, I think all these shoes are cute, but I definitely want to be comfortable, and you know, ain't nobody got time for bad ankles, you know what I'm saying? Or, you know, sore feet. You know what I mean? Some red fire shoes for the summer so I can get out there and get my dun 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 dun. I like it like that, I like it like that, hey! So I really wanted these, and I got another pair in black because I don't really have any or many. I maybe have one other pair of black shoes for the summer, and these can also go into the fall. So again, it's that cushion in there. I love the block heel. This is another brand. This is the Universal Thread, which is another brand at Target. These are the most comfortable flats I have ever purchased. Y'all, these are for the low to the low. I want to say these bad boys they're $12.99, so I got them for $10.39. These are so comfortable. It feels like you're walking on a pillow. Y'all, if you can find these in your Target, and I think they have these in different colors too, I might go back and get a black pair just because I like to just throw a shoe on and keep it moving, especially for work. Most comfortable flip-flops I have ever, next to my rainbows, worn. They have that nice cushion. Can you guys tell? I'm all about the comfort of a shoe, shawty. And then I purchased this, it's the same brand, Universal Thread. And these are just a nude, good nude for a brown girl. And last but not least, these are DV, and I'm not sure what DV stands for, but y'all, I clearly been killing these. I'm off differently depending on what you wear. So I'm gonna wear it with this outfit today, and it kind of comes off more goldy, but when I wear it with like a pink, it kind of comes off a little rose gold, but it also kind of comes off a little silver. So these metallic shoes can give you all kinds of dress it up, dress it down. The thing I would be wary of is that they do nick in the back very easily, but it's a cheap shoe, so what do you expect? These are apps of all the shoes. I think these are absolute must-have, girlfriends. And I will leave the link to all these shoes and things down below. That is it. I hope you enjoyed this super inexpensive, affordable, bougie on a budget Target summer shoe haul. Target was not paying me for these shoes. I bought these shoes with my own munties, my own hard-earned coins. But Target, if y'all want to holler at your girl, just tap dance on over to my email and I will promptly respond. Alright guys, I'll catch you in my next one if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye! Forever! This is giving me all kind of Wakanda vibes, yes? Wakanda forever. I'm trying to be in the second one. Holler at my agent. Bye.